In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and use TradingView effectively for your trading needs. TradingView is an incredibly powerful tool for both novice and seasoned traders, offering a comprehensive range of chart analysis features and real-time data for an enhanced trading experience. We'll take this step by step to ensure you understand each part of the process thoroughly. So let's just get started. The first thing you'll need to do is open TradingView in your web browser. Simply go to tradingview.com and you'll be greeted with their homepage. If you already have an account, log in with your credentials. If not, it's quick and easy to sign up for a free account that gives you access to a wealth of features. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard. It may look overwhelming at first glance with its wealth of data and options, but don't worry, we're here to guide you through it. Next, you want to navigate to the chart section. Look for the chart button, usually found in the upper left corner of the screen. Click on it and it should take you to a live chart page. This is where you can start visualizing all the financial data. Now, it's time to select your preferred token or stock. You can do this by using the symbol search box located at the top of the screen. Just type in the name or ticker of the asset you're interested in, and a list of suggestions will appear. Choose the one you're looking for, and TradingView will bring up its live chart. Seeing the live chart with all its lines, bars, and candles might seem daunting, but with practice, interpreting these visuals becomes second nature. What's fantastic about TradingView are the customization options. You can manipulate the chart's appearance based on your preferences. For instance, if you favor a candle or bar format, you can adjust that. It's all about what makes the most sense for your trading style. Now that you have your preferred chart open, let's move on to the Pine editor. This feature is located at the bottom of the screen. Clicking on Pine editor allows you to write and implement custom scripts. This is particularly useful for those wanting to backtest custom trading strategies or create alerts based on specific criteria. For beginners, it can help automate some complex analysis tasks and provide insights that aren't immediately obvious through visual inspection alone. And with that, you've mastered the basic navigation of TradingView. Accessing it, selecting your token of interest, and utilizing the Pine editor for custom scripts. While there's a lot more to explore within TradingView, understanding these core elements sets you up for more advanced features. Keep experimenting with different settings and tools, and over time you'll find what works best for your trading needs. Thanks for joining me today, and happy trading!